welcome to Shawn's Silly Playtime. And today we are going to do an experiment.
What do we have?
We have baking soda, vinegar, water bottles, and balloons.
Ooh, okay, cool. So what do you think we're gonna do with these?
I think we're gonna do a science experiment when you put the balloons on here, and then before you put the balloons on, you have to pour the baking soda in.
So we're gonna blow up the balloons, but we're gonna blow them up from the water bottles. We're gonna make the water bottles blow up the balloons, and we're gonna have to put some vinegar inside the water bottles and put some baking soda inside the balloons. So, you ready? Get started? All right,
Woo!
Cool, let's go. Safety first, so we got our goggles on. Okay.
Safety first.
Safety first. All right, so we're doing this in the room on the floor, guys, because we just wanted to,
Not make a mess
yeah, but
on the carpet.
really wanted to just get a little surface. Okay, so first things first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour the vinegar inside the water bottle.
Yep.
So let's start there. We'll pour some vinegar in there. Let's see. I don't know how much it's supposed to be, but we'll see.
Let's put a little
Okay.
more.
I think that's a good amount. The other one, we're gonna
Yep.
put some vinegar inside this water bottle.
Hey guys, make sure if you want to do this experiment, make sure you have goggles and safety first.
Yeah, safety first. Good
Make
job.
sure you have a grown-up with you.
Yes, make sure you have a grown-up with you. Oh,
Oopsies.
okay, there we go. Oh, we're pouring.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, this one has a little bit more in it. Okay, so the next step, what are we gonna do?
Pour the vinegar.
We've already poured vinegar, so what do we do next?
Baking soda.
Baking soda. So we're gonna put the baking soda inside the balloons,
Yep.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Green.
Green, cool.
We have yellow,
Yellow.
the primary color,
Mm-hmm.
and the other primary color, blue.
Blue.
And we have red.
And we have red. Okay, so we have 4 different colors of balloons.
And we have 2 primary colors.
Oh, okay.
No, 3.
Okay, good job. All right, so now we're gonna put some baking soda, and we're gonna put it in the balloons.
Let's do it, guys. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button.
Say that one more time.
Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button.
Oh, like how you said that. All right. Okay, so we already have the balloons filled up. So we put the Arm & Hammer baking soda in the balloons. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons, and they are green, yellow, blue, and red. So
3 the primary.
So we have the baking soda in the balloons, and then we have the vinegar in the water bottles. So we're gonna put vinegar in 2 more water bottles since we have 4 balloons. So we're gonna need 4 water bottles. And now, once we have the baking soda
Inside the balloons.
inside so the baking soda is in the balloons, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then it's gonna go, we're gonna put the balloons on top of the water bottles. And then once we do that, we're going to release the baking soda into the vinegar. What do you think is gonna happen?
Explosion.
Okay, it could be an explosion. What do you think is gonna happen to the balloons?
They're just gonna pop.
They could pop, or they can do what?
Or they can grow bigger, like this size.
What's another word for grow bigger? Expand.
Mega?
Expand. expand is to grow. So we're gonna see, so we're gonna put 2 more bottles and we're going to put vinegar in those, and then we're gonna see what happens. So now what we're gonna do next is we are going to put the balloons on top of the water bottles. So let's try the first one.
I'm gonna pick the yellow one.
Okay, so now let's put the balloon over the water bottle.
Okay.
So you have to try to like stretch it over the water bottle top. Now we have all of the water bottles covered with the balloons. We have
Red, yellow, blue, and green.
all right, so now we're gonna make sure to pour the baking soda that's in the balloons inside of the vinegar. So let's hold up the first one.
This one?
Yeah. So lift it up. And we're gonna pour that in there. Let's see how it goes.
Oh! This is fun.
It's blowing up the balloon. Make sure. All right, let's try the next one.
Let's do it. Oh! The blue one's going bigger than the green one.
It is.
And look at the baking soda.
Mm-hmm.
The baking soda is harder than the green ones.
So that's the green. That's
This is
the
the
blue.
Now let's do the yellow.
So I think the bigger it gets, it has to have like more baking soda in it, because I think we put more baking soda in this one than we did in this one.
And
So
maybe the bigger it gets, the closer that it gets to pop.
yeah,
Maybe.
exactly. All right, let's do the yellow one.
Okay, I'm kind of scared, so let's do it. Oh!
Wow.
This is awesome.
It is. It's growing.
It's going like my
Mhm.
sister.
So let's do the last one.
Yep. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Uh-oh.
What's it gonna do?
Oh, that one isn't growing as much. We must not have put that much
Oh, it's
baking
growing.
soda in that one.
It's growing. So, which one do you think is the biggest so far? Because I'm going with the blue one.
It looks like, yeah, the
Yeah.
blue one is bigger. Yeah.
I mean, it's like the same height.
Yeah.
I mean, this one's a little bigger.
Let's try to put some more baking soda in this one and see what happens.
Oh!
So we had to add some more of the baking soda to the red one because it was a little too small.
Too small.
All right, so let's go ahead and let's pour the baking soda in there.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh!
Oh, wow. Uh-oh.
I thought it was gonna explode. Oh god.
It's getting pretty big.
I thought it was gonna explode up the balloon and then pop.
Well, it's the biggest one now. So it literally is going biggest, medium, basically the biggest all the way to the smallest.
Biggest, medium, mediumest, smallest.
Yeah. All right. So this concludes our experiment. So the vinegar was in the bottom. We had the baking, so we actually put baking soda inside of the balloons, put the balloons on top of the water bottles, and we had to lift up the balloons to get the baking soda in the vinegar, right?
And yeah, and the first time, as you guys remember, the first time the vinegar didn't have that much, so it was like small.
Right. So what we did today was a science experiment. We definitely had a chemical reaction. It was a chemical reaction. So the baking soda and the vinegar both made a chemical reaction, and that's what caused the balloons to expand, because the balloons basically filled up with the air from the bubbles and the reaction from the vinegar and the baking soda, making the balloons expand because there was absolutely no air, nowhere for the air to go but up. So, did you have fun?
Yes, and I have 2 things to say to you guys.
All right, what's up?
The first thing I'm gonna say is I thought so you know the red balloon, I thought the vinegar was going to go up and then it will like pop.
Mm-hmm.
And then the second thing is, make sure in the comments you should put in the comments which video you want us to make next.
Yeah, make sure you put what video you want us to make next in the comments. And don't forget to do what?
Subscribe and hit that like button. Bye!
Bye!